Hello everyone. If you would like to know where you can do your practicals if you study at BAU International University, I would like to show you one private intensive care unit where you can enhance your practical skills and do your rotation. Let's go and have a look. So as you can see, this intensive care unit has smaller sections with 3 beds, and nurses are there at work. Also intensive care unit section with 3 beds. So if you study at BAU International University, you will have the chance to do your practicals here in small groups, and also in your senior year come here for daytime shifts and nighttime shifts. You can also see the equipment which is available.